Hey, how's it going? Today we are going to go over the convert integer to the sum of two non-zero integers question in Python. It's given an integer n. A non-zero integer is a positive integer which doesn't contain any zero in its decimal representation. Return a list of two integers a, b, where a and b are non-zero integers. A plus b equals n is guaranteed that there is at least one valid solution. If there are many valid solutions, you can return any of them. So if your input is 2, the output is 1, 1, because both 1 and 1 are non-zeros. If your input is 11, you can output 2, 9. You cannot output 1, 10 because for 10 there is 0 in the number 10, right? And for 10,000, one of your output can be 9,999 because both of these numbers do not contain any zeros, and so on and so forth. The question should be fairly straightforward because basically you can for your A's, you can go from 1 and just to check whether n minus your A is like a zero integer or non-zero integer. And if both of them are non-zero integers, you can just return them, right? So for that, we can write a for loop. So for I in range n, and we are now checking if it's a zero integer or not. It's not in I, or not in m minus I. If both of them are non-zero integers, we'll just return them as a list.